All right, homework 5, video solution on problem 3. It says, say the potentials throughout space and time are V of RT equals 0 and A of RT equals A naught cosine quantity K times Z minus CT in the x hat direction, where A naught and K are given constants, C is the speed of light. Part A says find the E and B fields everywhere in space and time and comment on the physics here. So E, the electric field, is defined as negative del V minus dA dt, and since V is 0, del V will also be 0, so negative dA dt is just going to give us negative Kc A naught sine of K times Z minus Ct in the x hat direction. B is defined as the cross product of del and A, so that's going to give us negative K A naught sine of K times Z minus Ct in the y hat direction. For the physics, I said we have an electric field propagating in the negative x hat direction and magnetic field moving in the negative y hat direction, and they're in phase with each other. Alright, so part B said, are we in the Coulomb gauge, the Lorentz gauge, both, or neither? Well, for the Lorentz gauge, it's defined by del dot A plus mu naught epsilon naught dV dt equals 0, and the Coulomb gauge, it's del dot A equals 0. Well, I figured out that mu naught epsilon naught dV dt is equals 0. So if del dot A equals 0, then we're in both, and if del dot A does not equal 0, we're in neither, and del dot A does in fact equal 0, so we're in both the Coulomb gauge and the Lorentz gauge.